Hello world!
Hello future investors!
Panibagong araw, panibagong bahay!
Welcome back to another episodes in which we are about to explore more about real estate. So stay tuned and watch us.
So now, let's proceed to our questions.
So mga bestie, is real estate is a good investment in the province?
Absolutely! Thriving ang provinces ngayon kasi mostly prefer nila ang work from home. Kaya mas gusto ng families ang tahimik na buhay outside Metro Manila.
At eto pa, land in provinces is still more affordable compared to major cities, which means higher potential appreciation in the future.
Ang tanong, kaya mo ba talaga bumili ng bahay or kaya mo bang bumili ng bahay?
Well, of course, bestie, nakadepende yan sa financial readiness mo. Or usually kasi, may down payment, reservation fee, and of course, proof of income.
But the good news is, maraming flexible payment terms ngayon. Especially sa mga properties in growing areas like Pampanga.
So ito na, last question. Tumataas ba ang value ng property?
Yes, bestie. Real estate is long-term. Hindi siya get rich quick. Pero historically, properties in growing cities appreciate over time.
Agree ako dyan, bestie. Pag tumataas ang demand, lalo na pag may bagong commercial development, airports, malls, and of course, roads.
So ang strategy is
Buy early, wait smartly, and gain later.
At M2 Yabut Realty Construction, na kung saan may seguridad
Sensyado.
At maaasahan.
And thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if you have questions.
That's all for today's episode, future investors.
Panibagong araw, panibagong bahay.